What's the meaning of crack house? Crack house. Crack house.
Crack house. Crack house. A crack house refers to a dilapidated building or residence where illegal drugs, specifically crack cocaine, are sold and consumed by drug users. These locations are usually unsanitary and frequently attract criminal activity, including theft and violence. They may also be used for prostitution and other illegal activities. In addition, they often pose serious health and safety hazards to both the occupants and the surrounding community. Attempts to shut down such establishments are common in areas where they are prevalent, as they contribute to the deterioration of neighborhoods and can harm the well-being of residents.